What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Today we're gonna plant something really fun together. I got a special order for this variety, and usually when I tell people that I can grow this as a microgreen, they're like, what? What does that taste like? And the variety that we're gonna plant together today is micro cantaloupe. Did you know cantaloupe could be a microgreen? It is true, and we are gonna plant it today. So as always, we're gonna add our soil to our slotted tray. I like to use a good organic germination mix when I am planting microgreens. So if you have purchased our microgreen grow kit, you know that we included a starter pack of soil in your kits. So when you run out of that, don't worry, just go to your local hardware store or nursery and grab you some good organic starter mix or germination mix. You just want something light and fluffy that doesn't have a whole lot of debris in it, and it'll work just fine. We have the soil in the slotted tray. I always like to take my solid tray and tamp down the soil for a nice even surface so you get really good germination. Next up, mist it with water. Always make sure your hose is on the mist setting. You don't want to blow soil all over the place. Been there, done that. Not fun. So give it a good mist here. You don't want to soak the soil. And then I pre-measured my seeds for the video, and I used the jumbo cantaloupe seeds. So if you have saved your seeds out of your cantaloupe, this would be a great way to utilize them as a microgreen. So I measure my seeds in grams. This is about 25 grams of seed per 10 by 10 tray. And like always, you're just gonna spread it on here, nice and even. These are much bigger seeds than you're used to on microgreens. Usually they're a lot tinier. These are more comparable to your sunflower seeds. I'm just gonna spread this out, just like that. Easy peasy. I'll show you what that looks like. We're gonna give it one last spray of mist. And then you're gonna take your solid tray and place it on top. Put some weight on top of the tray. I like to use pavers to place on top here, and then you're just gonna leave it like that for 4 days. No peeking, no adding water. Just leave it like that. And then on day 4, we're gonna uncover it. So I'll be back and show you what to do next. It's day 4 of our cantaloupe grow, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the bricks off and unstack it. We're gonna take a look and see how well it germinated. And I'm taking these bricks and I'm gonna put them down here. On this tray, I have some basil growing down here, so I needed some weight there. So we're gonna take the tray off and see what we have. And that's looking pretty good. You can tell we've got some good germination there. And I'm just gonna top water it today. Give it a little water here. And I'm gonna go ahead and introduce it to light today. And since I have space here in my grow room with my grow lights, I'm just gonna keep it here on my racks, but you could easily have this on your kitchen counter or your kitchen table or next to a windowsill, and it'll get enough natural light and it'll grow just fine. I'm gonna bottom water this starting tomorrow, which is day 5, and then I'm gonna continue to do that once a day for the next 5 to 6 days, and check back about midway through this growth cycle and see what it looks like so you guys can see all the stages of growing the micro cantaloupe. So we'll check back. All right, guys, here we are on day 7 of our micro cantaloupe, or sometimes I like to call it micro melon. So as you can kind of see here, I didn't get such good germination. So I have a little problem spot, but everything else looks really good, and I'm really happy with this tray. And I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like about halfway through the grow. So it's looking good. We're gonna check back on day 10. All right, today is day 10 of our cantaloupe grow, and I need to get this harvested and packaged. It's been a while since you guys had the micro cantaloupe.
Yeah.
See if you liked it. I can't remember.
3.
Food 1.
2, 8.
Liked it? It's
Yeah.
got
Like
more
a cucumber.
Yeah, it's more of a cucumber melon taste. It's really light, really fresh tasting, juicy.
It's weird. It's like fuzzy kind of.
Yeah, there's a texture to it. So if you kind of think of the cantaloupe skin that's kind of fuzzy, the leaves have that as well. This would be good on top of your yogurt. It would be good mixed in a salad. It would be good on your oatmeal in the mornings, and even on your sandwiches in place of a cucumber, because it has that cucumber melon taste. This one is very versatile, and you could pretty much put it in about everything. I've also seen people put it in fruit salads, so that's another great option. This one's always fun, and it's always a popular one, and you can get a lot of talk with your farmers market people. They get super interested when you tell them that it's micro melon or micro cantaloupe. So it's a popular one at the farmers markets as well. And chefs love it. They pair it with lots of good things. We have some local people here too that order this one, and it's just really good to eat by itself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you knew that cantaloupe could be a microgreen.